Now in this video, let's install Ollama so that we can run the open source LLM models on a local machine. Now this part is optional if you just want to work with OpenAI or any other cloud provider or the AI provider. But since we want to run local, let's try it out. Now the way you can do that is, see, first of all, when you have a lot of AI models, most of them are proprietary and few of them provide their open source model. Example, for DeepSeek, we got DeepSeek open source model, which you can run locally. Then we got Llama, and we got from Google, which is Gamma. Now, the way you can do that, first of all, you have to install Ollama. And to do that, you just search for Ollama on Google. This is the website they have. It says get up and running with the large language models. And you can see there are certain options here, but if you click on the models here, they will give you the entire list of models available. In fact, you can search for a specific model. You can search, you can just do it with the newest and it will give you these options. But let me click on popular, and the popular one is Gamma 3, not tried Quen yet, but DeepSeek is there, Llama 3 is there. The problem with this particular model, example, if I go with 3.3, it's very heavy. So if I click on this, for the parameter of 70B, you can see the size is around 43 GB. And when you run it, you need a good amount of RAM, even the computation power you need good. So instead of going for 3.3, of course, if you have a powerful machine, you can try it out. We can also go with 3.2, which is bit less. Okay, it's lightweight. So you can see it's only 2 GB. So you can try this. In fact, you can increase so they have mini models as well. You can try them out. Depending upon your machine speed and RAM, you can select one of them. Or you can try DeepSeek. In DeepSeek, you can select the parameter and you can change, it will change the size. So for 32B, you can go for 20 GB if that works. Okay, so before you even try all those models, the first thing you have to do is you have to install Ollama. So when you click on this, it will download the Ollama on your machine based on which version of OS you're using. So if you're using Windows, click on download. It will download the Ollama for you. And you can see it started. So it's simple step. You just have to click install, nothing fancy there. And once you have Ollama installed on your machine, open the terminal. So just I will increase the size of it. And then you first check, do you have Ollama there? Click on enter. If you get this option, that means yes, Ollama is there. And to start with, basically, this is just the Ollama software, right? You don't have any models now. And the way you can check that is by command, which is Ollama list. It will give you all the, let me just clear this once and show you once more. So this is a list you have. And by default, when you install this, you will not see any model here. Now, since I'm using it for some time, I tried different models to run, and this thing works on this machine which I'm using. So this is good. Some of them are lightweight. One is heavy, which is this, the 32B, and it's very heavy. And the way you can run them is very simple. You say Ollama run, and you can mention which one you want to run. So let's say I want to try the first one, which is Mistral. And paste here, enter. It will start it. And okay, I hope my laptop will not die because I'm recording on the same machine. I'm also running a model. Okay, so there's no problem. So I will say, what is your name? So I don't have a personal name. I'm a model of Dialogflow platform developed by Google Cloud. Is it? Not sure. Anyway, so I will say, who is Telusko? I'm not sure if it knows me. Okay, no idea. Anyway, enough of insults, but that you can run this on local and this is running. In fact, you can also run the other models the same way. So you just have to say Ollama run and mention the model, okay, which one you want to run. Now, once you know that, yes, it's there on your machine. Oh, first of all, how will you get this, right? So I already have it. Now, when you run this command, and if you don't have a particular model in your machine, basically it will download. Example, if I try to run, but this time I will not be going for Mistral. Let's say I want to go for DeepSeek. And if I mention 70, okay, what other model we have for DeepSeek? So DeepSeek, let's say I want to go for this one. And to get this is the command. You have to just copy this and I will just use this. And when you say enter, you can see it knows that we don't have that in this machine. So it will download. So you can directly run the command, it will download and it will run. Okay. Now, since I don't want that model, I will just cut this and clear. So I have few models ready. And once you have it, you don't have to run on terminal to use in the application. Just keep it there. And once you know it's there, we'll write code to call the models and we'll make this work. Okay, so this too, we have assigned the key. We got the key, we have not assigned it anywhere. We got the key. So this thing we have in the local machine and we'll make it work. So yeah, in this video, we have seen how do you install Ollama and how do you get the models to make it work. That's it from this video. In the next video, let's start working with this project.